Hi, my name is Julius Kavackas, and I'm gonna show you how I clean every opening of an iPhone. Well, usually the charging port gathers the biggest amount of dust and pocket lint because it's just kind of the deepest opening, and whatever gets in there, it gets packed with the charger every time you plug it in. So in charging ports, it would usually be pocket lint and dust, sometimes cookie crumbs or, or I don't know, pizza crumbs. Over the time, you would start getting issues charging. Later on, you have to keep the charger at a certain angle to get the phone to charge. The process of cleaning charging ports is very simple. I use a dental pick, same kind of thing that dentists use. It goes at an angle. So when I look through the microscope, I can still see inside the port when the dental pick is there. The charging is back to normal. It's when you plug in the charging cable, you have to feel and hear like a nice click. So in the speakers, it would usually be skin oil, something greasy mixed with dust, and very similar to earwax. On the left, it's just a microphone. On the right is speaker and the microphone. With a short brush, I kind of try to just break down whatever is in there in the speaker mesh, and then I use just a regular vacuum cleaner to suck the rest of the liquid out. Well, on the mute switch, it would usually be dust and maybe moisture, kind of, as well some skin grease or hand cream, something like that, getting in there and attracting that dust. And I often see mute switches not working, stuck in hopefully in like a normal ringer mode, not in a silent one. Customers never really ask to repair their mute switch, even though it doesn't work and it's stuck in one position. I'm not sure whether they don't use it or they're happy as it is, but they are happy to hear that it's fixed. I use the same dental pick and the little brush and alcohol, but really that's the safest one to clean. So if somebody needs to clean this at home, just use a short brush. A toothbrush would do, and just brush it, and it should be perfect. Yeah, so in the earpiece, it would usually be skin oils mixed with dust or makeup. Really looks and feels similar to earwax. Over the time, the earpiece volume just gets lower and lower, and just end up in this stage where you just have to use hands-free or earphones to actually make a call. So to clean an earpiece, I use just a short brush, drop of isopropyl alcohol, and a vacuum cleaner. So I put a drop of alcohol on the speaker grill and just kind of break everything down with the brush, and try to remove everything what's left there with just a regular home vacuum cleaner. So yeah, it makes a huge difference. Customers can't believe that they're like regular people phones. They can't imagine who would be able to use it like that, but they are regular people with phones. Like every other phone is like this, so the owner of the phone, they do have their own life, they do have their own problems, and there are more bigger problems in people's lives than their phones.